How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Got a funny, crazy little project here today. When I'm at my computer desk, I'm always looking for note paper. And I've got note papers all over the place, scattered all over the desk. It's a mess. It's hard to find an empty one like to start a new note on. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make some note paper and make a little holder to put the note paper in. That's what goes on around here. Let's check it out. Okay, I often end up with sheets like this, like it's a regular letter size piece of paper with something on one side, nothing on the back. And I hate like hell to throw that out because there's room in the back for writing notes. So I have a paper cutter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my paper cutter. And I don't know about you, but I like notes, you know, about I'm going to say a piece of note paper that wide would be kind of ideal, wouldn't you think? So I could get I get 6 out of a sheet. I've got 3 sheets here, so I should be able to get 12. So first of all, I have to cut the sheet in half. So here on my guillotine paper cutter, I'm going to set that in there. And because I folded this, I kind of know where the middle part is already. So I'm going to try and line this up as best I can. There's little division marks on the cutter board here. So that looks pretty darn straight. All right, so there's that. Now, see that they're almost cut correctly. So now I'm just going to cut those in thirds. So in order to cut these sheets in thirds, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one sheet here and I'm going to put the ruler on one edge. I apologize for the darkness here, but we just lost our power. So there's 1 and that's 9, so I can divide 9 by 3 and get 3 inches. So I'll put 1 mark there and I'm going to put 1 mark there. And then if I go on this side and do the same thing, go from there to there, and if I mark that 3 and that 6, then if I join those 2 marks and join these 2 marks. Okay, so now I've got those divided in 3. And once again, I'm sorry about the light, but Hurricane Lee just reared its ugly head. So if I put this back in my cutter, line that up on the edge, cut that off, and then line this back on the edge, cut that off. Now I end up with some nice note papers, right? Isn't that slick? I like that. Now, what do I do with those? Just put them on the desk? Well, you could just do that, but you know me. I found this little case, and this little case, I don't know whatever came in it, but it turns out it's just the right size to hold these notepads. So I can set that on my desk now, and when I need a piece of note paper, just like that. Isn't that just the slickest thing? I've now got a good source of note paper, a never-ending source of note paper, and it didn't cost me anything. I like it. All right, what do you think of a little hack? Stupid, crazy, nuts? I don't know. I think I'm going to like it because I always want to have a piece of note paper at hand, somewhere handy. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Sorry about the lighting here, but we're in the middle of Hurricane Lee here in central part of Nova Scotia. It's Saturday, September 16th. It's mid-afternoon. It's been blowing pretty good here all day and raining, but other than just losing the power just 5 minutes ago, knock on wood, like no other damage around. Well, no more trees to blow down for one thing, but we're doing pretty good so far. I just lost the power. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little hack. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. You think I'm stupid for doing something like that? Think I'm nuts? But right now, I gotta go put my generator on, folks. So we'll talk to you.